Good lighting is at the center of every flawless makeup look, which is why beauty enthusiasts have been stocking their vanities with lighted makeup mirrors to achieve the perfect glam. As these mirrors continue to rise in popularity, we tried 5 of the top-rated models to determine which ones are actually worth buying. Our testers started by evaluating the construction of each lighted makeup mirror before doing their makeup with them. They paid special attention to the mirror's portability, durability, and any unique features, such as Bluetooth speakers or a shelf for your phone and essential cosmetic products.
Hello my friends. Welcome back to my channel. In this video, I recommend 5 best lighted makeup mirror 2022. Before you start, subscribe to the channel and press the like button to be up to date with all the news. Let's begin. Number 5 in our top is from the Ovente brand. This dual-sided 360-degree swivel design luxury mirror features 10x and 7x magnifications. The 1x provides a view of your face all at once and 7x for precision, because every detail counts. Look 10 inches away for a distortion-free view. This means this mirror will not stretch or shrink in its reflection. This mirror is equipped with a cool tone LED light which simulates natural lighting. With LED lights, there is no need to worry about replacing light bulbs because they will last the entire lifetime of the mirror. This 6-inch tabletop makeup vanity mirror can be great for many decor, including vintage, Victorian, Hollywood, medical, or anything that involves beauty and self-care. This vanity mirror with LED light is a classy addition for bathroom, bedroom, grooming, shaving, and vanity needs. This countertop vanity makeup mirror gives a chic modern look for any master bath, hotel, dental, and shower needs. We continue with the number 4, that is part of the AMIRO brand. AMIRO lighted vanity mirror has ultra-high CRI 97, 1100 lux high definition, and has up to 95% daylight similarity. Precise dimming, natural makeup without a fake face. The 8-inch HD makeup mirror features 4 upgraded LED lamp belt, daylight natural brightness, no light leakage, and protect your eyes. The 1x lighted mirror and detachable 5x magnifying mirror allow you to see either entire face or focus closely on one specific part. AMIRO vanity mirror has 5 levels of brightness and adopts the national standard safety certification lamp beads, with soft light for eye protection. Selfies, skincare, and makeup each have their corresponding brightness. Our lighted vanity mirrors have a memory function which keep your light setting like you last used. Touchscreen button makes adjusting lights easier and save time. The mirror surface can be rotated 180 degrees to match different heights. Based on the base tray design, our vanity mirror has added storage hooks, which can store small accessories such as bracelets, and the dressing table is no longer messy. The design inspiration comes from the sunflower that is born in the sun. Number 3 in our top is from the Erlingerie brand. This LED wall-mounted makeup mirror offers white lights, warm lights, and natural lights. The natural light suits for daily life, the warm light suits for parties, the white light suits for work or reading. The brightness of all mode can be adjusted according to your needs. This LED wall makeup mirror allows you to focus on the specific section of your face and ensure that your makeup is in place. 1x side is designed for overall look. New wall mount lighted mirror has a 10-minute smart power off system, which help you to save energy when you forget to turn off the light. You can easily turn on off the lights of our makeup mirrors and change the colors by touching the panel. Long press to adjust the brightness of the light. The 360-degree rotation design of the LED wall magnifying mirror allows you to adjust it to any angle you want. It can rotate 360 degrees within the frame and 180 degrees on both arms. It can be folded against the wall to save space when not in use. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel and like this video. Number 2 in our top is from the Vanity brand. The Vanity illuminating mirror has been designed to provide powerful 10x magnification and an ultra-bright light source to allow you to view specific areas of your face up close.
The additional illumination helps to reflect real colors, ideal for flawless hair and makeup under any light conditions. To adjust the LED brightness to your preferred level, simply press and hold the sensitive touch circle area on the front of the mirror. Enjoy simulated natural daylight to touch up your makeup. The flexible arm of the Venigo illuminating mirror can rotate 360 degrees, allowing you to obtain the best viewing angle. A strong suction cup locks the mirror firmly onto any smooth, clean, flat surface, including glass, ceramic, porcelain, enamel, acrylic, fiberglass, or polished marble. This portable magnifying mirror has an elegant appearance, with a glossy white shell, a chrome finish, and a stylish modern design. The Venigo mirror is always travel-ready and easily attaches to tables, walls, and even larger bathroom mirrors in hotel rooms. It is cordless and lightweight, making it convenient for handheld use. The number 1 product is part of the FunTouch brand. This upgraded wall-mounted makeup mirror built in 1500 mAh rechargeable lithium battery. You don't have to replace batteries frequently anymore, and no worry about breaking while replacing batteries. The Vanity mirror can be used wireless after charged through USB. This lighted vanity mirror is double-sided with 1x and 10x magnification. The high-definition 1x lighted mirror for your overall makeup, and 10x magnifying beauty mirror shows details of your face when putting eyeliner, mascara, perfect for delicate makeup. Please keep 4-inch distance when use the lighted 10x magnifying mirror to avoid dizzy. This vanity wall-mounted mirror offers white lights, warm lights, and cool lights. Easily switch the color temp between warm glow to white glow to see how exactly your makeup will look in various lighting situations like daytime, evening, and working environment. Touch the sensor switch to change color light, long press to adjust brightness. The lighted makeup mirror with magnification is mounted on the wall, designed with an extendable arm. 360-degree free rotation provides you with a comfortable viewing angle when putting on makeup, shaving, or wearing contact lenses. It can be folded against the wall to save space when not in use. Which lighted makeup mirror would you like to buy? Leave us a comment below. If this video helped you, don't forget to subscribe and like this video. See you next time. Goodbye.